Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the DMGE 202A toner cartridges, specifically designed for HP MFP M281fdw. If you're looking for the best toner cartridge for your HP printer, this might just be it. Are you tired of constantly replacing toner cartridges? Well, the DMGE 202A toner cartridges are here to save the day. Offering exceptional compatibility and performance for the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M281fdw. Whether you're printing documents for work, school assignments, or personal projects, these cartridges ensure sharp, vibrant prints every time. Let's talk about why these cartridges stand out. They're not just compatible with the MFP M281fdw. They also work seamlessly with other models like the MFP M281cdw and various HP Color Pro printers. Each set includes 4 cartridges: black, cyan, magenta, and yellow, providing a comprehensive solution for all your color printing needs. What about page yield? You can expect approximately 1,400 pages from the black cartridge and around 1,300 pages per color cartridge, based on 5% coverage. That means fewer interruptions for cartridge changes, allowing you to focus more on what matters: getting your work done. Worried about print quality? Don't be. These cartridges are ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certified, ensuring consistent and reliable performance with every print job. Whether you're printing reports, graphics, or photos, the DMGE 202A toner cartridges deliver professional results that you can rely on. Who can benefit from these cartridges? Everyone from healthcare providers to educators. From small businesses to large corporations, they're perfect for any environment where quality printing is essential. Plus, they're easy to install and integrate seamlessly into your existing setup. In conclusion, if you're looking for a cost-effective and high-quality toner solution for your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M281fdw, look no further than the DMGE 202A toner cartridges. With their exceptional performance, reliability, and compatibility, they're truly a standout choice in the market today. That wraps up our overview of the DMGE 202A toner cartridges. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy printing!